Well, hi everybody, Mindy here. I wanted to do a quick update video about the Magic Gold program that I posted the video about on YouTube over the weekend. It's also here on my website, which is mindyyost.com. Okay, so this program will begin on May 16th. That's 2 weeks from yesterday. Okay, so it is important, if you're interested, please email me right away. I have more information in an email that I can send to you. You're under no obligation just because you ask for more information to join the program, right? So I want to make that really clear. I'd like to thank everybody who has asked for information so far. I've had actually a pretty overwhelming response so far to this program because people are going, wow, this really sounds good. And I think it is going to be good. But the thing is, I wanted to address tonight just a couple of the most frequently asked questions that I've had so far. The first one is this program really something that people can use if they have no experience whatsoever with Forex? And it is, okay? It is, because I am here to help you with understanding how to open a Forex account and how to set up a Forex trading account on your computer. Okay, I will literally work with you step by step to make sure that you can do that. Okay, and it's not hard, but it is something that if you have no experience with, trying to figure it out on your own can be very confusing and kind of difficult. But when you have somebody explaining to you how to do it and what you're doing and why you're doing it, it's really not difficult. And to make the Magic Gold program work for you, you really do not have to have any experience in Forex at all, because the software is going to do the trading for you. Okay? Now, if in some circumstances where we have to intervene with a manual trade, I will be leading you through that. I will be making sure that you do it right and that nothing bad happens, nothing goes wrong or anything like that, right? So that was the first thing that I wanted to address. The second thing is, you're under no obligation whatsoever to join the program just by asking for more information. Now, the other thing I've done is I have set up a GoToMeeting session for Wednesday of this week, okay? And it's going to be Wednesday, May 5th from 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. I left a wide window for this session, not because I think it's going to take that long, but because there'll probably be people who will be coming in and out at different times, and I wanted to leave a wide enough window to allow access to as many people as possible who might want to come in and ask a couple of questions or something. Now, you can either screenshot this information right here, right now, or I'm going to post this information in the text below this video. Okay, but accessing GoToMeeting, if you've never done it before, it's not hard. Okay, if you email me, I will send you this information as a link where all you'll have to do is click the link and it'll bring you into the GoToMeeting session. So that will be Wednesday, May 5th from 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. Central Time, US. Okay, so for people in New York, that would be 8 p.m. For people in California, it would be at 5 p.m. Okay, but nice wide window. So you can come and go as you choose throughout that time. Okay, so let's go take a look at how the account has done since Saturday, when the market was actually closed, but when I did the first video. We can see that the balance is higher than it was on Saturday, right? So if we go to our account history, we see that we made 4 more trades since the market opened Sunday night. Now, actually, all of these these 4 trades happened pretty early in the trading day, the Sunday, Monday trading day. It says 9:04, which would be 9:04 a.m., but this is in MetaTrader time. These 2 trades that say they were at 9 a.m. actually happened about 1 a.m. in Kansas City time, right? So these times are listed in MetaTrader time. But of the 4 trades, we made $286 off of those 4 trades. Now remember, I told you that the way the software is structured, on average, every trade that closes will average about $50, okay? And you can see that we had a $28 trade, a $61 trade, a $47 trade, and then we had this big one that did really well. We don't get a lot of these big trades, but it's sure a nice little bonus when we do, because for 4 trades that closed for $286, these 4 trades averaged quite a bit more than $50 each, right? But so far in this trading week, those are the only 4 trades that have closed, okay? And when we go to the open trades, we don't have any open positions right now at all, okay? So if we started with $5,000 1 week and 1 day ago, 1 week and 1 trading day ago, we've made $1,988 of equity gain since the account started trading. And we can also see that over here, if we go to all history, that puts everything in the order of how it happened in the account. We can see the 2 deposits that equaled $5,000, and then all of the trades as they entered, all the way down, and we see down here we've made a profit of $1,988, okay? And our current balance is $6,988, because that's including the $5,000 that we deposited initially, okay? Now, the thing is, I had several more questions from people who wanted to know if I would post the account on a website called MyFXBook. And the reason that I do not post my accounts on MyFXBook, for one thing, a lot of the accounts on those websites, like MyFXBook, are fake, okay? They're not real. And the other reason I don't is because by posting on those websites, it makes it really easy for people to copy my trades just by watching what's going in and out. I don't give away free trades like that, so I'm not going to do it, okay? I will not post my accounts on any of those kind of websites. But what I did about an hour or so ago is I went to my account history and I printed a detailed report, okay? And this, what you're looking at on the left side of the screen, is the detailed report that I printed about an hour ago. It tells you right up here at the top that this report was created on May 3rd at 2300 o'clock, 23:26, which this is, in fact, Kansas City time. And right now it's about 1 o'clock in the morning. I did this about 11:30 at night, right? But again, it gives you the entire history of the account. But when you get to the bottom down here, it also breaks down the information the same way you would see it in a MyFXBook or FX Blue type of a website. Okay, it tells you the deposits, the profit and loss off of closed positions. It tells you the floating PL, that would be open positions, the current equity, the current free margin, right, the current balance. It gives you a little chart of the progress in the account, right? Now these little dipsy dives here that happen along the trajectory are when the account closed a trade for a loss and then closed the corresponding trade that bought off the loss. Okay, that's why it takes these little dippy dives along the way, right? It also shows you down here the gross profit, the gross loss, and then the net profit, which is our $1,988 profit. Same as right here on the actual account. And then it breaks down how many trades you've made, how many short positions, how many long positions, your average profit per trade, your average loss per trade, your biggest profit, your biggest loss. It gives you an expected payout. It gives you a profit factor. It gives you all the same information that you would see in, my FX book. Okay, and I will be happy to print one of these reports every couple of days and email them to you if you are interested in that. Okay, but I'm not going to post on my FX book. Okay, I just don't do it. Okay, so anyway, that's what I wanted to show you. That's what I wanted to share with you. It's pretty typical, actually, that we've only seen 4 trades so far this trading week. This trading system really only makes 4, 5, 6 trades on an average day. I've had days where it only made 1 trade, and I've had days when it made like 6 or 7 trades. But 4, 5 trades a day is about what it does. But if you can make $286 off of 4 trades in one day, that's pretty good. If we did that every day this week, we'd be looking at over $1,000 profit this week, right? So I don't know that it'll do that every day this week, but it might. Who knows? We'll see. We'll see at the end of the week. But anyway, so far it's right on pace and right on target for how it's been producing for several weeks, although this particular account is only 1 week and 1 day old. Okay, so anyway, that's what I wanted to share with you. Please look for the information about the GoToMeeting session. If you want the email where I outline much more information than I do on the website about the Magic Gold program, just shoot me an email. You can click this link right here if you want to, or if you want to, I will also post my email address again in the information printed below this video. Okay, so thanks a lot for the support I've gotten so far. I really appreciate it, and I look forward to talking to everybody on Wednesday evening. So have a good night and a good trading week, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye for now.